All right, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw something and see what we come up with. I think I'm gonna do like a sort of a barbarian monster kind of warrior. So I'm not really sure, but here's what I think. Start with a pencil and then ink it. Later, I'm gonna start with a marker so you can see it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start over here and I'm gonna draw this guy's head. So I'm gonna draw like a parentheses there. That's gonna be like his eyebrow ridge. Then I'm gonna come up here and draw his eyebrow. I think, listen, let's give him like kind of a mohawk thing. Okay, so I just sort of, I just made that up. So you can do it however you want, but I just sort of did some squiggly lines. Okay, I'm gonna come here and say, all right, here's where his eyebrow starts, and I'm just gonna come down like that. I'm gonna give him like kind of bushy eyebrows. And then he's gonna need this eyebrow, and it's gonna go up too. And then let's see, I think his head comes around like that for right now. Probably he needs some hair over here too. And an ear. Let's give him a pointed ear. So it's gonna come down like that. I'm gonna do this. Remember to pause if you need to pause. Pause the video. Let's give him an earring right up here. That's pretty cool. And then his earlobe and that little flap. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna, let's see, what do I want to do with his eyes? First of all, let's give him a pretty good cheekbone there. And his eyes are kind of, they go up like that and then like that. Same thing over here, like just little triangles. Okay, and where should he be looking? Let's have him looking over here at something. All right, I'm gonna give him like a what kind of nose? Let's give him a bump there, and a nostril there, and a nostril there. I'm going kind of fast, but that's okay. All right, so that comes down. I think I'm gonna make him kind of more animalish. So he's got this sort of like this thing going, and I think he needs some. I'm gonna draw that. That's the top of his mouth. But then I'm gonna give him some like cool things that are like that. It's sort of like drawing Hershey's Kisses, but they're fangs. And then I'm gonna draw the bottom of his mouth like that. I'll give him some teeth. They're kind of jagged here. Cool. And that's gonna come down. I'm gonna give him a big jaw like that. Probably he's got like a goatee going. Alright, okay. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here. Let's just give him a beard. I'll give him some crazy hair back here too, and back here. It's kind of a beast man sort of thing. Alright, I'm gonna smooth those out a little bit. What do I want to do over here? Just gonna, let's see. Just making him look a little meaner. Okay, let's see. Let's give him. Oh, I know. Here's what he needs. I'm gonna give him a sword. He's got like the cool jagged things. Like that. And here's the thing, you can do whatever you want to do. He probably needs to be holding it. This isn't the best. I should have had a plan before I started. Alright, he's holding it. I'm going to give him this big, like, he's got these furs that he's wearing. Maybe give him some lines there. There. Alright. So this is going to be, I'm not super happy with it, so we're just going to make this like an extra. If you want to do this drawing, you can. I bet you could go slower and do a better job than I did. But there you go, a scary barbarian warrior of, you know, some kind. All right.